In the description, I will provide a link that will take you directly to this page so you can see your total digital rewards. Now, when you get there, you will not see this memo of where you can use your digital rewards as well as when your rewards expire. To get this to show up, just click this or tap this right here and you will be able to see this open up below. Now, you can use your digital rewards on eligible Kindle ebooks, Amazon App Store apps, Amazon Music downloads, or Prime Video rentals or purchases. And below you will see when your total rewards expire. Now, if you have multiple purchases where you accrued these, you may have multiple expiration dates for different balances, okay? Everyone's look different. Now, how do you use it? Okay, so right here it states rewards are automatically applied at checkout. So when you select this item and you go to checkout, you will not have to manually add that to your payment method. This is already applied against the balance of the digital reward that you selected. Okay, so pretty cut and dry. So if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, I made it quick and easy for you. So hopefully you guys subscribe to help me get to 1,000 subscribers and hit the like button. Thanks a lot. Catch you on the next one.